Hi friends, hello friends. I'm back again with one of my favorite dishes, which is kadhi. Yes, टमाटर की कढ़ी or tomatoes kadhi. So I'm going to use refined oil because I don't have mustard oil. I prefer mustard oil, but right now I don't have it. So I'm going to use refined oil. I'm making pakodas for that curry also, so I'm keeping this oil to heat up, and meanwhile I'm going to make pakodas. I'm using this besan or gram flour. This is Kohinoor besan you will get in the UK. So I'm going to use this. I washed my hands very well, and I prefer using my hands to make pakodas, so please excuse me. And I am not using anything else, just the flour, gram flour. I am not using any salt, any other. So basically you have to add water. And be careful, it should not be very runny, otherwise you will not be able to make pakodas. So here I'm going to prepare the pakoda. A lot of people add baking powder or soda to the pakoda to make it fluffy, but I prefer to just whip air in this pakoda, and it will be as good as the other ones. So my oil is just going to get heated up. I am using 2 tomatoes, some garlic. Here I have got hing, turmeric, and some of the masala like the red chillies. These are the methi seeds, curry leaves, zira or cumin, and these are the sarson or mustard seeds, and these are the ajwain seeds. And of course I'm going to use salt that I will use for the curry. So my oil is just getting ready. Meanwhile I'm making this. It is a little thick, so I'm adding some more water. You will just need, I think, 4-5 minutes to whip up this pakoda batter. And I use water to just check whether it has been whipped well or not. So I'm going to put some water in a bowl. And just drop a small amount of this batter. You can see this is not ready yet. It has gone down. going to add some more water. In UK we get very fine gram flour, so I prefer a little coarse grounded, but generally I don't get it here, so this is a little difficult, but it's all right. We will need some good power. You can see my oil is getting very hot. I will just get this ready, batter. Just going to be ready now, and I will check again. No luck. Takes a lot of power. It is one of my favorite dishes. See, it has come up now. You can see. So it's now ready. I will put this back on the heater and start making pakoras. So you can see I've made all the pakoras, they are ready, and I've taken up some oil from this so that I can just add this as a tadka, and I'm going to use 2 large tomatoes. I've got 2 large tomatoes, and I'm going to cut it just cutting it in 4 parts each, and I'm going to add it to the grinder, and I'm adding some cloves, garlic cloves. It's about 5 of them, and I'm just grinding it. So you can see I have prepared my puree, the tomato puree, and I will just give it a look. You can have a look. This is like a puree. So I had got some leftover besan mixture, so I'm just have added some water to it, and I've kept the oil and I'm using the mustard seeds and all my masala. I'm going to mix this mixture in the water. There should be no lumps in the besan mixture, and I'm going to add the puree. And this besan mixture to this. And let it cook for about 10 minutes on low flame. I'm going to add in some turmeric powder, some hing, this is good for digestion, especially when you're eating fried food, and salt to taste. And I will just let it simmer on low flame for about 10 minutes, and then I will add the pakoras when it starts boiling. It has started bubbling and getting little thicker. I'm adding some more water to this. I like my curry to be like a soup. You can adjust the consistency the way you like. Just can't wait to have this with my rice. I've already put some rice. This is a very good combination, curry with rice. Now I'm just waiting for this to boil, and then I will add my pakoras and just leave it on the heat and switch off the gas, and after 5-10 minutes it will be ready to serve. You can see now the curry is boiling, and at this stage I'm going to add these pakoda. And just leave it, the gas is off, and I will leave it for about 5-10 minutes and it will be ready to serve. I have prepared rice with this, and I will give you a glance of my plate. Thank you.